Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Anjeri Kabiru. Welcome to my channel. Yes, Jerry Wakafiro. If you're new to this channel, welcome so much. I thank you for the new followers and new subscribers this week. And those who have been here, thank you for always leaving a thumbs up, a comment, sharing about this channel. I mean, thank you so much. Let me start with the Tyre table. I went and bought glass for the tire. All the tires, I applied a paint called synthetic paint. This paint, you can find it on the auto shops. I like working with synthetic because it doesn't come out. Spray paint comes out eventually. Learn about spray paint. I have a video that I've done about spray painting. Just go to my YouTube and write how to spray paint a bottle. You will learn a bit about. I custom made the miguu. This table is super easy to make. Now, how do you make money selling DIYs? For me, I started DIYs in 2015 officially. Like I used to do them kando, the one you do and you feature. 2015 I started doing it. By the end of 2016 it became evident that it needed to be my full-time job, became my number one priority. How I've been able to make money, the first thing is start. I know you've heard this, but start perfecting your works. Start believing in yourself. Started selling, started marketing, started making it, started doing it, started breathing and sleeping on this. That's the first step. But there's a day I dedicate a whole day of just sitting and WhatsApping people on my phone. The aggressiveness on how you market your work will determine the end product. Now let me go to the best part. The best part for those who are new into this and you want to make this a business, you have made the right decision in the world. This is the decision that will make you cry your heart out, but it will also make you laugh your heart out. So there's a season, as I have been working into this is my 5th year, and I would say end of last year and this year, it's 1 year that people are coming into me. They're starting to come into my business. They're like, oh, I saw this, do you still make this? Oh, I've heard about this, can you make me a table? This is the year. Before then, there's a time it was hard. There's a time I was homeless. Like I used to live in my relative's house for 1 whole year with my child, and I used to sleep in their living room. At night I drag a mattress, put it in the middle of the sitting room, and in the morning I take it to their bedroom. And you know what I learned that whole year? I learned I'm the next Steve Jobs, because I did not give up. I decided, let me go back and start step by step. So if you're doing this, start one day at a time. I hope you have a side income or someone to support you. It will be much more easier. But if not, do not worry. I have made it. You will make it. Trust me, you will make it. What I did when I was homeless that period, I decided, one, I'm gonna do small things towards achieving my goal. And one of the small things I started was to think about how to create my YouTube and to do how to edit, record, and do everything with what I have. There's no excuse. You've got to start somewhere. So I started my YouTube. The project that I'm doing right now, this here, the table and the tire, this guy saw my YouTube advertisement last year, saved my number in the middle of Corona, calls me to do some things, because right now the government says people have to sit outside, not indoors, and he had to give me the job to create seats and chairs outdoors. And guess what? I'll do a video going to take lunch in that hotel, because most people are going into where my tire seats are. See, that's marketing. Someone else will be like, who made this for you? Then I'll come here and give you testimony over how another job came through. So you talk about your work, but also come up with small strategies. Small. I don't think big. Trust me, business, you think step by step, like a baby step. Then another thing I did to make money with DIY, I stopped doing 1,000 things. 2 things that I'm working on right now: how to perfect my bottles. And I don't mean just decorations. There are thousands of things you can do with the bottle. So I'm going face by face. And my tires. those are two projects that I'm running with. And once I hold on that gold medal, like everyone knows, if you want a bottle or a tire, you go to Jerry Kabiru, then I can come back and start adventuring on others. But when you start DIY, because of that spirit of creativity, you want to do 1,000 things. Stick on 2 or 1 thing, perfect it, perfect it. I'm already establishing myself in certain things. You will know it is me once you see a bottle. You know it is me once you see it. During the process of manufacturing, one thing I love making my hands dirty. Like I get in there, whether it's going to Grogon where the mechanics are, I really don't care. I go in there. I'm not afraid. I ask questions. I ask about what car comes from, this tire comes from which car. Get to know what comes from what. Like I see a lot of people on YouTube, they ask me, oh, which glue do you use? I tell them, where do you get it from? Gikomba. Can I have the number? I'm like, no, I'm not going to give you the number. I'm going to give you Tough Love. Go to Gikomba, find out. Maybe what I'm using fits me, but maybe what you need is there. So go into those shops and ask. Get your hands dirty. So many young Kenyans, and this comes from somewhere where I want to go there, we want to get things easy. We keep on saying we want to work smart. Me, I want to work smart and work hard at the same time. I want to do those two things. Then smartness will show 10 years from now. But right now, you can just work smart. You have to work hard, work smart. 10 years from now, you'll be the smart worker. Because 10 years from now, I'll not be doing the tire table, but already I know the process on how to do it. So if I have a worker doing it wrong, I have it in my mind. That's the strategy. So let me go back to how to make money. You've already talked about it. WhatsApp. Call friends and family and be like, what can I make for you right now? And for me, friends and family, sometimes I don't charge them that much. I charge them for capital and something small on top because I have to eat at the end of the day. But whatever I make for them bridges, it's a bridge between the client now and the client next, because I have to post something on YouTube or on social media to show people I'm still doing this, I'm still in the market, And whatever I make for them gives me an opportunity to be even more creative. So it's like I'm graduating. Be vulnerable to them. Tell them, hey, support my work. This is where the pride runs out of you, like it goes away. So one more last thing that I do, paying for my ads on Facebook. I don't know about Instagram. I'm gonna start that soon. I want people to watch what I'm doing. I pay my ad, but as I'm paying my ad, I also do the hard work of sending to different groups. Are you in marketing groups? There's so many marketing groups. They're DIY groups. Go check them. Post your work. You never know. Show and tell about your work. That's it, period. There's no strategy that big. Just talk about it. Show pictures. That person who is interested, they might not contact you now, but they may contact you when you really need that money. So keep on doing it. And then at the end, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. When things are hard, cry like me. When things are good, smile. And when things are average, keep doing what you're doing. So I hope this video was relevant and helpful to you. If you have any question to ask, let me know, and see you in the next video.